Hello folks, it's Barry here. Welcome to my Virgin Kitchen. I hope you are well.
I hope you're deliciously well.
I did that voice because today we're doing another MBK tries. We've already done the Gordon Ramsay Beef Wellington, we did the Heston Blumenthal ice cream, we did the one from, we've done the Alton Brown recipe as well, which I can't remember off the top of my head, but it's overlaid on the screen right now. And we might even revisit some of those because the Heston ones in particular have got some crazy stuff going on. And this is kind of like my poor man's version of a collaboration. Of course, I would love to go and film with these people in their kitchens. Now, maybe I should just get cardboard cutouts. Today we are doing a Nigella Lawson mousse recipe, and there's kind of a story behind this. We've had a little bit of DIY going on in the house recently. You might notice my friend Lettuce. Look, these are my friend Lettuce's pictures. We put them up. If you guys want to know what his Instagram is and get it blown up as well, they're amazing. Then the flooring. We've done a lot of stuff, and as a result, I'm kind of like last minute, and I had this idea. Honestly, I woke up at 3 a.m. and I had this idea for a lemon meringue mousse. I was gonna do a biscuit base, lemon mousse, and meringue topping that I was gonna torch. It's gonna look amazing. Mousse takes a while. Remember that song by Mousse T? Yeah. So I use the internet, literally like this, and I find a recipe by the lovely Nigella Lawson for a quick chocolate mousse. And who doesn't like chocolate mousse? And this thing has got marshmallows in it. So I am like, whoa, I'm excited. I'm generally on a sugar high anyway already today. I don't know why, but I'm excited because it should be ready in a flash, which means I'm filming this video right now about 9:30 in the morning. I'm gonna film this, I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna edit it, and it'll be on YouTube by 3 p.m. That's what we do. When you're a one-man band, that's what you do. You go a little bit crazy because you start talking to yourself on your own, in your own house. Kind of weird. Homer is like my friend. Before we get started, I want to show you a vessel that I found in the supermarket. Random supermarket purchase of choice, if you will. This is a cow. I think it's for white porcelain cow creamer. I think you sort of pour cream out of this, out of its mouth, okay? But I had this idea that we could like serve the mousse in the cow, so we might do that anyway. I didn't want it to look perfect, okay? It's Nigella's thing. But I did also buy some cups and sauces like that. I thought it might look quite dirty. Yeah, that's one of my things right now. The word dirty is the in thing. No, dirty burgers. Oh, dirty sauce on my burger. I hate that. That's not nice. Clean sauce on my delicious symmetrical burger. Yes. Yeah, I want to put some dirt on my burger. I'm going to eat the dirt because I'm dirty. No. When's this phase going to end? First thing we're going to need is a large saucepan. Oh, that was 50 grams of butter. And I was about to tell you what it is before it fell off the spoon, but hey, it's butter. It slides. In this bag, there are, I'm not going to do the voice, it actually says 150 grams of marshmallow. This bag is 180 grams. I'm going to be a risk taker. 180 grams of mini marshmallows. Oh, this is good. Hey, if I do this, it's like one of those ASMR videos or whatever they're called. I get a lot of requests for those. I don't know why. So the other thing we need to do is break up our chocolate, but I'm thinking the heat of the pan in a minute, what we'll do, we'll melt it anyway. So I'm just gonna roughly bash it up. Yeah, that'll do. And that is a lovely looking sight. I love the contrast, beautiful. This thing's going in a few weeks, I'm gonna miss it. I forgot a step. We've got to boil the kettle. We need some water. Whoops. It's good because I need a coffee anyway. Whoop. So there's the butter chocolate marshmallow mixture, and that is 60 mils of water, about 2 fluid ounces. Not much water. Don't know what it does. And I did literally just pour it on one piece of chocolate, so it's like.
Put the saucepan on the hob. Overheat, though keep it fairly gentle to melt the contents, stirring every now and again. Remove from the heat.
So yeah, a medium to low flame, wooden spoon. I'm gonna stir it occasionally like that, like a cat scratching. That is looking gorgeous. Look at that. It's like a little lake. I nearly said Ricky Lake then. Go Ricky, go Ricky. I'm feeling confident I can leave that for a minute and work on our cream, so we need an extra bowl for that. And it just came to me about a cow, right? Remember Bart Simpson, that phrase, don't have a cow man? What did that even mean? I had a t-shirt and a duvet with that one. Could have meant anything. All right then folks, so this is some double cream, AKA heavy cream. So what's going to happen is I'm going to whisk this up. We're going to thicken it while simultaneously keeping our eye on stirring gently on a low flame the chocolate mixture, and also keeping an eye out for a gardener that's going to knock at my door in a bit. So basically right now I'm whisking my cream and keeping my eye on the saucepan like this. Oh! I pressed the turbo button by accident. I just sprayed cream all over my microwave. Oh, you donkey! Sorry. Oh, that's close. Hello.
Liquid explosion.
I think the actual steps were to do the chocolate first, let it cool down. As it's cooling down, you do your cream. About that stage where it's thickened is fine. And then apparently, in goes the vanilla extract. Why not put some orange extract in and make it chocolate orange, huh? All right, cream done. And now I really need to clean this. But it was important that I did the cream first, because I don't want that like going weird, because cream's temperamental like that, isn't it?
He can cook, and he's domesticated. What a dreamboat, ladies.
I'm finding myself funny today. That's a bad sign. Right, so we'll leave this for a minute. Meanwhile, Top Gear style, I did take it off the heat, but look, good job we did. We want it to burn. This is gorgeous. So a low heat, just merging and melting that together. It's a lot like a brownie mix, actually. So kind of like a barbecue, slow and low, barbecue style, man. Slow and low with the heat to gradually break down those marshmallows and mingle it with the butter and the chocolate. Feeling like a part-time Willy Wonka right now, folks. Look at that. That is looking good. Off the heat it goes. Now Boston has just told me we let this cool down for a couple of minutes before merging it with the cream. And Amy's sniffing my butt. So we are going to fold. We're going to need to use a spatula for this step. The top tip, always fold with a spatula, especially when folding your bed sheets. What? You mean you don't make your bed with a spatula? What's wrong with you? So this mixture has cooled down. In it goes. I keep folding on. That was an old song, so any of you guys that do the dab or the floss that looks like the Mr. Bean dance more than anything, probably wouldn't really get that reference. But look at the shiny from Moana. See, I'm modern as well. I cover both demographics. This is what we do. Fold. Yes, fold. Oh, look at the marbleness.
As my spatula cuts through the dark, succulent chocolate into the moist, whipped vanilla cream.
Translation, we're just going to use the spatula. Look how it scrapes the bowl. It's so good, it's bendy and flexible. A wooden spoon wouldn't do that. This is good. Keep doing this until you've got a nice, consistent colour. And remember
to scrape your bottom.
I love how the cream has kind of made it slightly less dark chocolate as well, more of a milky vibe. You know, maybe we should start selling this mousse en masse and do a little cowed funding campaign. We're nearly done, I'm sorry. Look at it, folks. That is it all done. So now we pour it into our vessels. It's a surprisingly runny mixture, so I'm gonna pour it into a jug to make it easier to pour. Oh, even that looks awesome. Yeah, the spout will help, unless you've got a mixing bowl with a spout. So it says this is about 6 portions roughly, but I reckon we got a lot more than that. So this is my lovely little teacup. We'll make sure we get this done first. Any leftovers, of course, will go to the kiddies and Mrs. Barry. Oh, just let it find its way. That's probably going to help it level off a little bit if you want. Well, we might as well fill the cow up. My only concern is that it might not go to the top. It might start coming out of its mouth. There's actually cavities in the cow's legs. So it is actually sinking down into its limbs. Oh, I got my barcode dirty now. I can't take it back. All right. That's how much I've got left. I've got loads. So I'm going to just plonk that in other random things I've got. Kind of like when Christmas comes and you have people over your house and you end up like serving it in all sorts of things. I'll just put it in the fridge for the kids for that. So these now go in the fridge, apparently just to chill. And that's it. And it'll be ready. Just while that's in the fridge, if you try this recipe out, or any of the others, don't forget to take a picture and tag me. Just like we've been doing the 2-ingredient pizza dough, right there. Thanks for looking, Boston. Thanks for sending in your attempts at that. For the MVK Tries recipe, please also tag in the originator of the recipe. So in this instance,
Nigella, because it's only fair.
I scraped every bit of that bowl and did not have any leftovers myself. I'm not that kind of guy. As it's cooling down naturally, it's almost ready to eat now, but I'll let you know how long I leave it in the fridge for before serving. If that gardener knocked on the door then, you got a little something. No word of a lie. That has been, how long? Thank you. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes and it's firmed up to moussey texture. Of course we could chill it longer. I just want to show you. Here we go. Look! Just changed the camera angle. Oh, there you go. Look at that. It's all rippled but set. It's so good. Look at that. Now, of course, this isn't the standard way to serve it. We want to serve it out of a cow. And there she is. Good old Daisy. See? Mousse texture. I can cut it out. It's not wet. It's firm. Look. That is mousse. Mousse. Nom, 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 nom. So, yeah, there we go. Best served from a cow. Oh, my word. I haven't even swallowed it yet. The taste just, straight away.
So velvety.
I'm not going to do that. Oh, that is, They're like literally 10 minutes in the fridge. It didn't even need that. I could have just left it in room temperature for 5 minutes. So good. So full credit to this recipe goes to Nigella Lawson. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel for regular recipes and food fun. Let me know down below what you want to see next. And follow me on social media at My Virgin Kitchen on all bits and bobs for loads of behind the scenes stuff. If you're a bit freer time now, have a marathon. Put on your sweatband. Maybe I should get a marathon sweatband made up and watch the rest of the MVK Tries playlist whilst I go... Where the heck am I walking? Whilst I go upstairs and edit this video. Good luck, guys. Bye-bye.